Hi, how are you? I hope you guys are doing fine today. Today we are going to draw the flower tulip. So let's start the drawing and we start it from top. First, we need to draw the outlines of all the flowers. As you know, we'll draw 3 flowers on top in this drawing here. So these are the petals on the outer side. The details are here. These are the outlines. Later we are going to draw more elaborate drawing based on these outlines. So we are connecting all the curved lines from the bottom to the top part. All right, also another flower here. Okay, so the 3 flower outlines are done. Now we connect a straight line from bottom to the top like this, and we draw another parallel line close to the previous line. Another lines will be here, and again we are drawing the parallel line. Also for this one we draw another line here, and also another parallel line with the previous one. So the flowers and the sticks are done. Now we are going for the leaves. It has long leaves with little shades, and also long leaves like this. All right, these leaves here. Okay, let's put the green color to the leaves and little purple color or the red color on top. As you see that the leaves here are getting nice and shiny. The sticks, those are green too. Let's do the green here. Okay, the red here on top. All right, let's put few shades at the bottom, make the drawing little darker. Also few outlines and black theme, putting it little like this to show the depth. Okay, let's do detailing for these leaves too. And for these leaves too. Few details for the flowers. We can start from top. Let's use the pencils for nice appearance. For making the drawings little artistic, we changed few colors here, so it's not the exact replication, but definitely this is the flower. Looks nice. Okay, let's put few racks like this. Few racks like this. Make the outline little darker. All right, so the drawing is done. I hope you like the video. Please stay with us. Please subscribe the channel and do the practice. Have a good day.